Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we have some good news. A couple days ago, I made a video about how Samsung has removed the One UI 7 article from the US Samsung newsroom, and I am happy to say that this article, excuse me, is back, and it also takes you to the page now with the April 7th date, and then it does specify down here that in the US, starting with the Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 on April 10th, gradually rolling out to more Galaxy smartphones and tablets. So this is back. It is not delayed like we originally thought it was. A lot of people started reporting that this may be delayed when Samsung removed this page. However, you can see this is from the 18th like it originally was. Apparently, there was just some kind of issue with the website, so the article wasn't coming up, but it wasn't actually removed. It was here the whole time. It just wasn't showing up for some reason. It is back, and we still have that April 10th date for One UI 7 to come out here in the US. Another thing is the tablets should be getting it shortly after that, probably not on the 10th, but after that wave hits of the Galaxy S24 series, we should be seeing the S23 and the tablets after that. So I don't expect there to be a Tab S10 Ultra beta in the US. It did roll out to Korea. That was the only beta that only hit Korea. The S24 and S23, as long as the Fold devices, they all got betas in all the countries that normally get the betas, like the same that got the S24 beta. The S23 got that, and the Fold 6 and Flip 6 got that. For whatever reason, Samsung limited the Tab S10 beta to Korea, so I'm unfortunately not able to show it on mine. But when it does release, I will most likely make a video for you guys if there's anything interesting. I know in the first beta, from what we saw in Korea, that there wasn't too much new, but other than that, they should be adding some stuff as that progresses and before it releases here in the US. So hopefully they do that and get it fixed up on time so we don't have any delays there. If you guys want to purchase a new Galaxy device or any Galaxy accessories, check out my link down in the description below. It does support the channel a lot, and I very appreciate you guys using it. Even if it's just for a case or something like that. But if you're looking for a new phone, Samsung does have some deals on phones right now as of the time I'm recording this. If you buy an S25 Ultra in jet black or pink gold, I think it's called, you can get $420 off by selecting the Galaxy Club membership, which is $8 a month. However, you can cancel it anytime. So you pay the $8 once, you get your discount, and then you can cancel it. It does come with Samsung Care Plus, though, so if you keep paying that $8 a month, you are getting Samsung Care Plus as well, and saving a little bit of money on that, as well as getting future upgrade deals while having that Galaxy Club membership. So check that out in the description down below. I do appreciate you guys using it. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.